Button. Stop recording.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Oh yeah, you know, the AC just turns on right when you hit record, but welcome. Welcome back to the channel, I suppose, if you want to say that. This is not looking like a channel, this is actually Vegas. Check it out. I left the phone up in my little riggy. It's not related to a piggy, but a rig. Here we are. So yeah, this is actually gangster. I like this rig now. Your nice rig. Sorry, me talking to rig. Rig is this little handle thing that I got with the phone, but that's Las Vegas' strip right there. I'm kind of pointing out to the window immediately. Yep. Let's see. Let's hold this like this, and like we're driving a car. But as you can see down there, so yeah, that's Las Vegas, Nevada out there, and that's the strip basically. I don't know what I'm seeing next necessarily, but what I know, if we look downwards slightly, I'm gonna tilt downwards on the phone. That's the strip, I suppose. Do it slowly, right, Mike? Can make people dizzy. Anyway, we're at the Flamingo Hotel. Sorry for the mess if there's any on the table, but I was eating and figured, you know what, I forgot to do this portion of this recording. And rest in peace to Jamal Mami. I did this last time and she actually left me a comment. So I figured, you know what, I should do this again. Just like how I go to conferences and stuff, record what's kind of there. So you probably see my bag there somewhere, and then I'm running towards the light, which is, I think, you can see the white. So yep, the bed is right over there. Let's go some more. Pretty spacious, if I might add, right? It's a cool lamp here, bed, king size, or queen, more than likely. Feels like a queen. And then you get another TV. So here's another TV where you could lay back and watch TV while you drink coffee and stuff. Coffee machine, ice machine's on this side actually. So right there. Interesting, my AV professional did not have some of this stuff in his room. So not that good there. Peoples, you should hook it up. Especially if that's my AV guy, you know? But yeah, let's make sure nothing is left over on this end. Nope. Do my quick scan in the bed. Whoop, almost fell over. So this is we're kind of just after a long day of recording. On the back of this building there is a monorail. So we take the monorail straight to the convention center. Sorry if the lighting is blowing out there. But here we go. Refrigerator is on that side actually by the TV. Cause I think I just heard it turn on. So there's a safe in the fridge on that side. This side there's just like a table and a couple chairs and like a sitting room, living room situation. And there's a TV in here too. Sitting room, living room, sorry. And then let's see. Go into some darkness. No, it's not dark. Let's see. I got the little hallway. I got a room adjacent to us, but don't know who's in there. And then I guess this is a handicap-accessible room as well, which is a good thing. Because good thing and a bad thing, because I still don't know where the light switch is on this bad boy. Somewhere in some cubbyhole shelf. But yeah, it's about these bars that I noticed that it's ADA accessible and all that stuff. Then of course you have your soap, your shampoo in the middle, and then conditioner, or I forget which way. You just squeeze them all in. I don't know. You could find out, but I did ask someone before checking in, and I didn't get a clear-cut answer, but it wasn't that bad. And of course you got your hair dryer that comes with hair dryer and tissues and stuff like that if you need extra. Then they put the towels in there, usually on the bottom. Like so. So let's go. Take a look
Message.
around.
Carry on accessibility chilling out check. Appearance US blue. Medis. Button. Stop recording. Window camera.
Okay. Yep. So, Flamingo Hotel. Room 9000. 9th floor. But, man, what an experience. What an experience. InfoComm was great. Videos are going to be coming up every day. On the weekdays, I'm going to get some of the old indie content up, because I know that there's still quite a bit of it to settle up. But, oi, let's just take a seat for a few moments before I gotta go rock and roll, because it's almost 11. And here, let's do this. Let's bring you guys up. Okay. Bring you up some more. Nope, wrong one. Still learning on this monopod. Be patient. I'm bringing you up. Like right about there. Oh boy, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Righty tight, 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 tight. I remember. I think I figured it out. Sorry about all that, but yeah, here I am. I think. Am I all here? Yeah, I'm all here. So welcome back. And this is it. We're about to embark on another trip back to Chicago, back to Daytona Beach. Well, yeah, I have to go to Chicago, and then what's that other place? Orlando. Haha. So I won't be home till early morning tomorrow morning. But morning or late, we're just trying to make it. Trying to make it on this channel, trying to make it on with people. Was able to help somebody this weekend, which just kind of felt good in a way. Kind of crazy for what happened afterwards, but nothing bad. Okay, nothing bad. But hey, someone needs help, and it all turned out to be cool. I got to see the city in return, so to speak. Not all of it, but got to go out and be around different buildings and experience it. And then last night, same thing. That's like my food still ready to roll. Chipotle, we went to, was it Venetian? So, you know what? Before I wrap on this, I do want to say shout out to you, Felicia and Rob. Cool people that I got to meet on this trip out here. And I'm just glad that, you know, it turned out well. I mean, I wanted to do more videos one of the days where I kind of overslept. So, my fault. I ruined my morning there. But I still hit it really, really hard. I got my impressions done yesterday. So, not all in all was a waste. But I kind of am a little harder on myself because I want to make sure I put accurate, good, well done content pieces for you now. You know, like I know I do my own in my house, but I have a help of, you know, a person that's willing to run a camera and things like that. So I'm just ever so grateful. Thank you to you all for
Email Gary Lewis.
letting me
Capital S.
be around y'all and you know, be able to present for you in a way. Next trip might be, who knows? I mean, it could be Norway for all I know. And if it's not Norway, it could be a convention near you. NFB is coming up the 3rd to the 8th. And then ACB is coming up in the end of this July. I think on the 27th or 28th. And then there's also St. Louis Cardinals game and a lot of cool things, right? So stay tuned for sure, as I keep saying now. Finances always have to come through, which is always a hard part. But maybe now, if I could put work like this, maybe some companies may be interested in helping a little bit more, where they'll know that I could talk up their product plus then some. So, you know, between that and heck, I'm gonna go call my friend and see if I could talk to Stevie Wonder. How about that? We're just gonna push the envelope a little bit more. How about that? Right? So that's why I came here to Las Vegas. I wanted to push my own envelope a little bit further. And hey, God's good grace, I'm here. I feel blessed with my parents watching me up there. But Never did Vegas with them. Right, and again, I didn't come here for pleasure. It's all work. But the city gave me pleasure by being around people. Right, just using Be My Eyes or something to get around the buildings, having a nice sandwich, burger from Chef Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. Well, indulging a little, but hey, you know what? Can I just try it once? And that's what I did. I had dessert, food, all that. So, hey, if you guys come out here, Flamingo's definitely cool. I just wonder on accessibility things. I mean, most of the stuff is not bad. I haven't felt the elevators as much to go feel Braille and stuff. But I don't know yet the numbering on the Braille, so maybe I should go start learning that. Anyhow, I want to shout out to Halifax Council of the Blind in Daytona Beach. I want to shout out to NFB of Greater Daytona Beach or Volusia County area. And hey, thanks to the DBARA, Daytona Beach Amateur Radio Association. It's so fun to hold antennas and things, and like think about you guys out there. You know how we could get rid of some sound and hums, and obviously AV is different frequency, but just find a lot of similarities because I was able to study through that coursework. So I'm gonna now take maybe a couple days off of my mind break kind of thing, get the body feeling not sore and stuff maybe. And then afterwards, we will try to go get studied up for my ham radio general class license. So what is so cool, I actually had somebody at Dylan's booth, actually, land display. It's like, hey, you mentioned ham radios. What was that about the ham radios? So I'm so happy I was able to indulge and talk more about our Greater Daytona Beach Amateur Radio Association. And welcome to all the new members. So again, with that, I'm going to probably sign off, take a couple more bites of this food, and go figure out some kind of beverage and parched. So yeah, everything's super expensive, but you know, what are you gonna do? You have to go with the punches. And 11 o'clock checkout, so I guess I should be rolling. Thank y'all. Again, we are here in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Flamingo Hotel for InfoComm, which we completed. So stay tuned with all those videos that are going to post daily. And if there's anything you want to catch up with, hit me up on the bottom. The comments work. If not, email me, info@accessjpj.com. And I'd love to catch up with you and help as best as I can. Again, with that I say, peace and love. Outro.
Button. Switch to front camera. Recording time 13 minutes 8 seconds. Recording time 13 minutes 9 seconds. Recording time. Button. Switch to front camera. A. Alpha. A. Alpha. Recording time 13 minutes 14 seconds. Recording time 13 minutes 16 seconds. Recording time 13 minutes 17 seconds. Recording time 13 minutes 19 seconds. Recording time 13 minutes 20 seconds. Recording time 13. Recording time 13 minutes 20. Button. Capture.